Did you know that it's possible to have an urban jungle at home without ever touching a bag of soil? Many people give up on growing plants because of the mess or the difficulty of getting the watering right in soil. But the good news is that several famous species can thrive in just a container with clean water. In this video, I have selected 10 incredible plants that you can start growing today in your own home. Get your favorite glass vase ready, and let's transform your home decor with great practicality and style. The first one on our list is the classic pothos, considered one of the most resilient and adaptable plants in the world. It adapts so well to the aquatic environment that roots begin to appear just a few days after cutting. The pothos is perfect for high shelves, where its leaves can trail down, creating a beautiful green waterfall effect. To start, simply cut a healthy stem just below a node and submerge it in a jar of water. Remember to change the water once a week to ensure the plant always receives fresh and clean oxygen. In second place, we have the famous Lucky Bamboo, which is actually an exotic species of Dracaena. This plant is an ancient symbol of prosperity and grows beautifully in narrow vases with some pebbles at the bottom. It doesn't require much direct sunlight, which makes it the ideal choice for offices or bright bathrooms. The big secret here is to keep the roots always submerged and avoid using water with excessive chlorine. Our third suggestion is the Philodendron Cordatum, which charms everyone with its lovely heart-shaped leaves. Much like the pothos, it is extremely easy to propagate and grows very quickly indoors. It brings an air of elegance to any room and requires almost zero maintenance when grown directly in water. The fourth plant on our list is the Aglaonema, well known for its patterned leaves and eye-catching colors. Although many grow it in soil, it accepts the hydroponic system very well if adapted with patience. The Aglaonema is an excellent air purifier and survives well in places with indirect lighting or partial shade. Make sure to wash the roots very gently if you're transitioning the plant from soil to water. The fifth position goes to the imposing snake plant, a true champion of resilience and modern design. Many collectors are surprised to learn that it can live in water alone for many months or even years. It has a vertical shape that takes up little side space, making it perfect for decorating strategic corners of your living room. Simply place the base of a cut leaf or an entire seedling in a container with a shallow layer of water. We've reached the halfway point of our list with the Anthurium, which brings a vibrant touch of color with its exotic flowers. Growing anthuriums in water is a modern trend that makes the plant look much lighter and more sophisticated. The thick white roots exposed in the glass create a wonderful visual contrast with the dark green of the leaves. The seventh plant chosen is the spider plant, named after the curious shape of its offshoots. It produces small plantlets at the ends of its long stems that come ready to be placed in water. It is an excellent plant for beginners, as it shows new root growth very quickly. Additionally, the spider plant is a safe species for those with pets, which is a huge benefit. The eighth plant is the versatile Syngonium, which has arrow-shaped leaves and an incredible variety of colors. It loves high humidity environments and develops with great vigor when the roots touch the water. The Syngonium can be kept as a small and compact plant or left to grow as a beautiful climber. In ninth position, we have the Wandering Dude, ideal for those who want to add an intense tone of color to the room. This plant grows at an impressive speed, and its leaves shine with a silvery tone under the light. It looks wonderful when placed in transparent glass, where the purple of the leaves stands out in the clarity of the water. It is almost impossible to go wrong with this plant, as it is extremely resilient and very rewarding to observe. Finally, in 10th place, we have the Begonia, focusing on the varieties that can propagate through cuttings. Many begonia species grow roots easily in water and can even bloom if they receive proper light. Rex begonias, with their unique geometric patterns, look simply stunning in glass arrangements. Now that you know these 10 species, you've realized that growing plants has become much simpler. Growing in water completely eliminates the risk of soil fungi and makes it easier to control unwanted pests. To keep your plants always healthy, try to use filtered water or let tap water sit for a while. Letting the water rest for 24 hours allows the chlorine to evaporate before it comes into contact with the plant. This prevents the tips of the leaves from getting burned or having that brown look that nobody likes to see. Try to keep your vases in locations that receive good brightness, but always avoid direct sun exposure. Strong sun can overheat the water and end up cooking the sensitive roots of your favorite plants. Once a month, you can add a single drop of liquid fertilizer to nourish your aquatic garden. If you notice green algae appearing in the glass, simply wash the container and the roots carefully. Having plants inside the house is proven to improve the quality of the air we breathe and helps reduce stress. With this practical, soil-less growing method, you no longer have excuses for not having green in your life. Choose your favorite plant from this list now and start your own aquatic garden today. It is fascinating to observe the development of the roots through the glass, something that soil normally hides from us. Remember that each plant has its own time to adapt to the new water environment. Don't feel frustrated if some take a little longer to show the first signs of new growth. Patience is one of the greatest virtues of those who decide to care for nature, even inside an apartment. I hope this valuable information helps you transform your home into a true natural refuge. Don't forget to observe the details of each leaf and enjoy the relaxing process of watching them grow. Indoor hydroponic gardening is an art form that combines biology with interior decoration. Besides being beautiful, these plants act as natural humidifiers for the driest days of the year. You can create compositions using glass of different shapes and sizes to make the look more dynamic. Simply Green is here to show that gardening can be accessible to everyone. If you liked these tips, consider subscribing so you don't miss our next growing tutorials. Keep your plants hydrated, your home full of life, and your mind always in harmony with the environment. Share this video with that friend who always gives up on having plants because they think it's too much work. The water solution is perfect for those seeking beauty without having to deal with the mess of soil. Thank you very much for watching until the end and for supporting the growth of our green channel. Until the next video, and I wish you great moments of peace with your new aquatic crops.